So students, in the previous video we have discussed about the adaptation and habitats. Now we have to move to the types of adaptation. So here are given some examples of the animals and plants and birds, how they adapt themselves according to the environment. Let's talk about this aloe vera plant. Have you seen any aloe vera plant? Its leaves are very fleshy and it covers inside, means it holds inside the gel like material, and here you can feel the spines. One more thing, that aloe vera plant have thick leaves. Why? So that it can retain water, and it comes in the xerophytic plants. What are xerophytic plants? That can survive in the sand also. Some animals like tiger, zebra, grasshoppers, they can hide themselves by merging with the environment. How? Have you seen any leopard? It has a spotted body. Tiger also. Grasshopper, it is green in color. So grasshopper can easily merge itself with the leaves, so the predators cannot reach to the grasshopper. So that is also an example of the adaptation. Here it is given that camouflage, the property of the merging with the surrounding, called camouflage, like grasshopper and zebra, grasshopper, these animals can merge themselves according to the environment. That is called the camouflage, and this property, camouflaging, makes these animals hard to spot and saves them from enemies and poachers. What are poachers? You have to tell me what are poachers. It is given here. I'll give it later. Here it is given something else. Many animals, birds and sea creatures migrate or move from one place to another, traveling long distances, that they can find warmer or cooler weather, better food supplies, or to give birth to their young ones. Like zebra and sea turtle are examples of such animals that can migrate, and that is why they are called migratory animals, because they are moving from one place to another to adapt themselves. Okay, here see, it is given a cactus. A singular form is cacti, and when it is plural it is called cactus. Here it is given the lotus leaf. Let's talk about this cactus. See, you can see these spines. They are the spines like structure found on the surface of these leaves. Actually they are stem, leaves, everything, and they are found in the xerophytic area that I have said, in the desert region. Leaves of this cactus have a they have a spines, spikes, and they are protecting themselves by the animals. They retain moisture inside. They can grow in very less amount of water itself. Here let's talk about this lotus leaf. This lotus leaf have a waxy layer. See, it has a waxy layer. Here you can see the water droplet. It can slope down. So why it is having a waxy layer? So that it cannot be spoiled inside the water, and they can make the snow glide off the branches and do not allow to accumulate. Do you understand? So we have talked about different adaptation or different types of adaptations in the plants and animals. Here I have completed this chapter. Now I will give you some exercises for this chapter. Okay, thank you.